2 crore rupees. Not for hospitals, not for schools, not even for farmers. For one Formula 4 racing event. The Goa Electricity Department has waived off the entire 2 crore rupees electricity bill. Now the question is, who is exactly paying for this? Because if your electricity bill goes unpaid, you do face reminders and even possible disconnection. But when it's a 2 crore rupee bill, who exactly signs the check? Hello, hi, salam or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. I am your host, Misbah. In February 2026, the Formula 4 racing event was held at Manohar International Airport, Mopa. The event required around 2.8 MVA of temporary power, including diesel generator sets and temporary electricity infrastructure because the existing grid could not meet the demand. Initially, the cost-sharing arrangement was allegedly 50-50 between the organizers, Racing Promotions Private Limited, and the Goa Electricity Department. But then came the twist. Following a request from the organizers, the arrangement was allegedly changed and the Goa Electricity Department absorbed the entire electricity bill of around 2 crore rupees, meaning taxpayers ultimately bear that burden. This is where the questions begin. Who approved this decision? Was it the chief electrical engineer? Was it cleared by the power minister? Was the state cabinet informed? Under which rule, policy or government order was a private event's electricity cost transferred to the public exchequer? Because ordinary Goans know a very different kind of a system. Delay payment by a few hundred rupees or 300 rupees and consumers risk penalties and even disconnection procedures. Yet here, a bill worth 2 crore rupees disappears from the organizer's balance sheet. If an event is organized for commercial gains, shouldn't electricity be part of the organizer's business expense? Should profits remain private while losses become public? And remember, Goans are already paying multiple charges on their electricity bills, including the public lighting duty, which contributes towards street lighting under the Goa state law. At a time when the state continues to manage a public debt running in tens of thousands of crores rupees, every rupee of public expenditure deserves scrutiny and transparency. This particular controversy also comes amid public debates over smart meters, rising electricity costs, and household affordability. The issue today is larger than Formula 4. It is about accountability. It is about whether one set of rules apply to ordinary citizens and another to powerful organizers. The people of Goa deserve clear answers from the electricity department, from the chief electrical engineer, from the power minister, and ultimately the government. Because the final question is quite simple. If a Goan family cannot get 300 rupees waived, then who decided a 2 crore rupees electricity bill could be? And if public money can be used so easily for private events, who exactly is paying the price? Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned into MQM 24/7 as we continue to track this developing story. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.